Hi there. This is Dr. John Whitcomb introducing a new book to you, and we're going to start a series of about 10 recordings about this book titled Autism, the Cause and the Cure. And this is really about the miracle of plasmalogens and Diane Goodnow's discovery of them, in my words and from my practice. I'm going to explain multiple elements of this. First of all, we're going to explain the cause. Did you know that, for example, that autism is increasing by about 30-40% per year? And at the rate we're going, we're probably going to have most kids being autistic by 2060. That's horrifying. That means it couldn't possibly be genetic. It means it's happening to all of us. And we need to understand that. So we're going to explain the concept of the chemosphere, the environment we're living in that's a toxic environment that's infecting all our children. And we'll do a separate episode on the chemosphere. We're also going to talk about the curious link between autism and postpartum depression, and how mothers with postpartum depression are more likely to have a child with autism, and why. And we'll make that explanation. And then we're going to explain about why vaccination can cause autism in just the right circumstances. But vaccinations are one of modern medicine's miracles, and every child should have one. And I'm a strong proponent of vaccination. But there's no doubt that they cause a little bit of oxidative stress, so we'll do a whole episode about that to explain it to you. We want to have our children safely vaccinated, and we want to lift up those careful scientists who've been observing moms who've seen their children have severe reaction without disparaging them and actually thanking them for their observation and passion. But there's a middle road down the way here, because there is a cure. And we're going to go over the cure in detail. You can fix your child. Not only can you fix them, they can have a much, much improved life. And from what I've seen, if you catch them early enough, they can have a normal life. And going forward, they can stay normal. And we'll teach you exactly how to do that. So looking forward to be with you. Look forward to our first talk, which is going to be on the connection of postpartum depression. This is Dr. John Whitcomb for News and Nutrition, talking about the book Autism, the Cause and the Cure, released August 1st, 2025, and of which I'm the author.